Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Hugging Face models, whether you're exploring AI for the first time or looking for powerful tools like text generation, image editing, or face swaps. Let's dive in. First, head over to huggingface.co. If you don't have an account yet, create one. It's free and only takes a minute. Once you're signed in, click on the Models tab at the top. Here you'll see thousands of models available for different tasks, like text generation, image editing, translation, and more. You can filter models by task, language, or library to find exactly what you're looking for. Click on any model to explore it further. Once you open a model, you'll see details like its name, what it does, and how to use it. But here's the easiest way to try out models. Click on the Spaces tab at the top. Spaces are live interactive demos built using Hugging Face models. For example, click on Image Editing in Spaces. You'll see various apps, like this face swap one. Click on it, and it will launch a user-friendly app right in your browser. Just upload 2 images, and the model will swap the faces for you. No coding needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.